Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. So today let's talk about the big fast people talking about work hard. Just working hard, not making things happens in the world. Right from our childhood we listening to it that our parents say how should we study? If we study we must to study hard. How should we work? If we should do work we must to do it hard. No, don't do hard. It is the donkey's job. Don't do hard. Don't make hard for yourself. Just working hard, not making things happen in the world. There is so many things people working hard in their world, but necessarily not they are successful. There is so many people working hard in the world, but how many of them achieve really any significant anything in this world? No, very few people achieve significant things and meaningful things in this world. What happen if you work hard? You will only become more miserable, because when you work hard, you successful or you not successful, you will be anxiety, misery, anger, frustration, tension, stress, all these things will build up on you. So please don't work hard. Essentially, if you work hard not getting the result, then what happen? Your intelligence will turn against you. So please don't work hard. Other than that, our work must to be the inner happiness, the expression of inner happiness and joy of ourselves, because our intelligence function at its peak when we are joyful, when we are happy, when we are wonderful from inside. There is so many things, there is so many people making their life miserable by working hard, and they want our life also become miserable. No, rather than we must to learn that if we study, how must we study? We should study joyfully. How we should work with love and compassion, because there is more joyful people needed in this world than more miserable people. So spread joy, spread love. Things not happen in this world. People who are successful in this world, it is because they know to do what is the right kind of things to do, what kind of work they are doing. They are doing just the right kind of things, so that it happen. It's not happen because they strive hard. No, if you do not know how to do it better or joyfully or lovably, then you strive to work hard. What you do if you work hard, what you do, it is become better that if instead of working hard, we should take a bowl and we bake, because then we should be joyful. Essentially, whatever we trying to achieve in this world, we trying to achieve for our inner well-being, inner peace, happiness, joy. But if our inner is not happiness, inner is not joy, peaceful, wonderful, so what meaning we are giving to all the work we are doing? So we must, whatever happen, whatever we want to do in this world, we must always remember that it is only the expression of who we are. It is the extension of who we are in our inside. So that's it. We must to strive for that we must to be joyful and happy, and we do what we needed to do. We not needed to do work hard will happen. He will just be miserable to you and miserable around all people around the surroundings to you. So it's not needed. So that's it. Study joyfully, study happily, work joyfully, work happily. Whatever you do, just if your smile can bring happiness to one people, that's great. That's light. That light is not expressible in word. If you can bring light through your work, through your love, through your smile, that's it. We need more lovable being in this world. We need more love, we need more light in this world. So we must to strive for this. That's it. I am in the field and the breeze is going, and that gives me great sense of happiness and joy. So that's it. No matter whatever happen in the outside world, our inner must be joyful, peaceful, happy, and always remember one thing: if we do not do what we cannot do, no problem in our life. But if we do not do what we can do, then we are a disaster. Make sure each and every human being in this world not become a disaster. We must be a peaceful life. That's it. We must strive for that. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay joyful, stay blessed. Thank you so very much. Namaskar.